professional cutter cleaners get their hands on the Vortex.
Man, this thing got, hey everybody, this got the suction of a truck mount.
Crazy.
Suction on this is crazy. I mean crazy, okay? It's like a tsunami, okay?
You going to turn it on?
Yep.
We gotta get one though. That's unbelievable. I still feel like my hand is like burning. It's still burning.
Just to finish up, the things that I really like is it's got amazing suction, amazing pressure. I mean, it maintains pressure. Its pump out, never let the tank get full. It has absolutely awesome autofill that is way high in the tank, so you don't have to worry about running out of water between wand strokes. And it stays in place. So I have to give it 5 stars on day 1. So my initial review is a 5-star.